It's October 1st, 6:30. The washing machine stopped working again, and the solenoid is open circuit. So now one of the things I've done is to learn how to or figure out how to disassemble this old part, how to safely remove these so that I can use them as spares. And I'm going to remove this carefully and then replace it with the spares. I'll check the others as well before I put it back together. One of the viewer was having a similar 4C code, but from what I understand, water is still going in, but the computer, there's a computer here, and it looks at different sensors, and one of the thing about this, to detect water flow into the bucket, there's a water flow sensor somewhere here. Without taking this apart, I couldn't at this moment figure out where the water flow sensor would be. I would imagine that the water flow sensor must be contained within here, but that's the soap thing. So there has to be a way for the water to be sensed. At the moment, I just don't know what it is. Sorry, guy. Next time. So using a flat screwdriver, you just poke at it and then lift, and slowly worry it out, wiggle it. Yeah, as you can see, it's OL for open loop. And this is the spare. This is that one's the no longer working, malfunctioning solenoid. This is the spares which I took, disassembled from that old part. It'll read, it will have a resistance, coil resistance of 4.2 kilo ohms. So yeah, if you have these you bought as a replacement, save them, because they will become useful. This thing didn't last too long, 3 months or less. Well, it's kind of sucky. Quality really suck. So here with the solenoid replaced, and I've turned it on just to check it, you hear this droning sound that the solenoid is active. So I'm going to connect the hose and let the water in. So yeah, water is coming in again. So that's it's working. I don't know how long the solenoid I used will last, since it's been used before. So if you see another video of these, if you see another video of me fixing this machine with respect to water ingress, then that's how it will last. We'll see.